Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today, we have made it to day number 186 of this Mileage and Secret Challenge. And if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back and watch these videos. What we are doing, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secret, right? We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. And we finally made it to month number 6 of this challenge, all right? So let's go ahead and hop right into this video, guys. We're on day number 186. All right, let's get to it. So if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, guys, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new subscribers. Okay. Now, these leads that are coming on your account are business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people care about making money online. Okay. So, excuse me. So, it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and we find offers that are related to making money online, and we send those offers out to this traffic. Okay. And we get results. And in the end, we get sales. Okay. So, that's pretty much what the Mileage and Secret is. It's just the email platform that you guys can go to and you can collect thousands and thousands of subscribers every single month by keeping the service. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself with My Lead Gen Secret. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over 3 years now, probably closer to 3.5 years. I totally love the service. I've promoted this tons of different traffic, to done tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. These are real subscribers. Okay. And I have received paychecks from My Lead Gen Secret and also affiliate networks that I am a part of. Okay. So I can tell you firsthand that this company is legit. I did write a review about them as well, just letting everybody know that this company is legit, and I do recommend this company to other people. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Me, I have about 8 different accounts that I use with My Legion Secret, and that's the cool thing about My Legion Secret is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so you can literally create an account and then gain thousands of people from that one account. And then you can go create you another account using your own affiliate link. And then you just stack your accounts on top of each other using different email addresses. Okay. Whenever you sign up, you can use the same, bank account to use your service with, but you have to use a different email address. Okay. So that's how you would stack your accounts and that's how you would get multiple accounts. Okay. Now, the number of mileage gen secrets that accounts to get, I would recommend getting anywhere from 3 to 5 accounts. Okay. You can get one if you're on a budget, if you're just not able to afford it. But I recommend at least getting 3 to 5 because that's what it's, going to take for you to start seeing results quickly. Okay. If you get one account, you're only going to get 100 leads. And then if you get 2 accounts, you're going to get 200 leads on one, but then 100 on the other. And then you have to get somebody to sign up underneath that second account, or you can sign up underneath yourself and you'll get another 200 leads in 2 of those accounts. And then on that third account that you get, you'll get 100. So you always got to have somebody signing up with you so you can get 200 leads across all accounts. Okay. So that's pretty much how to stack your accounts with My Legion Secret. All right. Now there's going to be two popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Number one is promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay, you can guys literally come in here and just promote My Legion Secrets and not anything else. Okay, so you can create an email surrounded by My Legion Secret. You can use this affiliate link right here that's in your back office. You can insert that into your email and then click send, like just like that, right? And then that email will go out to all these subscribers. Okay, and My Legion Secret is a business opportunity offer. So people will click on your affiliate link. It's going to take them to your landing page, and your landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. All you have to do is get in front of the traffic. Okay. That's all you have to do. And you do that by coming in here to the mailing system. All right. So if you guys just want to promote My Legion Secret and make money from My Legion Secret, which I've done that before and I have earned paychecks from My Legion Secret, you can do that as well. Okay. So all you have to do is come here to affiliates and click on promo tools. And if you come down here, you can promote these emails right here. These are already pre-written emails. There's about 10 of them. And you can just repurpose these emails, just use them over and over and over again. And then you will start getting sales with with these emails. Okay. So that's going to be one way that you can make money with My Legion Secret. And I just wanted to show you all you would have to do to get started. If you wanted just to promote this company, which a lot of people do, you can just simply click import affiliate email, okay, into the mailing system. It's going to take you into the mailing system. You're going to have to click on this right here, and then it's going to move all of your emails over so you can send out one email blast. And then you come down here, excuse me, and the subject line, it already gives you a subject line, okay? And then also it has a body of text, which is going to give you right here. You click on perfect timing. You come down here to the bottom. As you can see, your affiliate link is right here. Your affiliate link is, like I said, is going to do all the selling and telling for you. So you come down here, guys, and you click on send, right? Make sure you put perfect time in there and click on send. This email blast is going to go out to however many people that you have in there. And then people are going to read your email and then click on your link, right? And it'll take them to your landing page. And then your landing page is going to do all the following up and all the talking for you where you don't really have to do anything. So that's one way to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay, so the other way is going to be using an affiliate network, okay, such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JV Max Bounty. There's tons of different networks that you can use. But for the sake of this video, we are using a place called ClickBank because what I have noticed is that the traffic from My Legion Secret respond very well to the offers on ClickBank. Okay, so I would recommend going and get a ClickBank account. It's free, doesn't cost you anything to get started. There's about 4 different offers in there in the e-business, e-marketing section that you guys can go to. You can grab any one of those offers and you can use one of those offers to promote to this system. Okay. Like I'm doing for the sake of this video. Okay. So those are going to be the 2 ways that you can make money with this mailing system. Okay. Now, there's going to be 3 ways to send out an email. Okay. Number one is to create an email off the top of your head and use your affiliate link. Number 2 is to use an email AI service, or you can use Chat GPT, something like that. Okay. Where you can go create your email based on the offer that you're promoting. And the third way is to by using the free pre-written email swipes that come with the offer on ClickBank. Okay. Excuse me, that's what I would recommend to you guys first is using the free email swipes that come with the vendor. Okay. So you can go to clickbank.com and you can find those offers in the e-business, e-marketing section. They're going to be about 4 different offers. And those offers are going to have about 20 different pre-written email swipes. So all you have to do is go copy and then paste them over to the system. Now, if you guys go back and you guys watch my previous videos in the beginning, I literally take you by the hand and I walk you over to ClickBank. We grab an offer from ClickBank. I copy and paste everything over. So basically, I show you guys step by step in more detail in the beginning of the video series. Okay. The longer we get into this video series, the more advanced that we're going to get. So I'm not going to walk your hand through it because I've already done it in the beginning of the series. Okay. So those are going to be the 3 ways to send out an email in the mailing system. Okay. And let me show you what one of these emails will look like from the vendor. Okay. So you can literally, let's see here. Okay. You can literally go to any one of these emails. Okay. And what's going to happen when you go pick out an offer, they're going to give you these free pre-written emails and they're going to look like this. They're going to give you a subject line. So all you got to do is copy and paste that subject line into the subject line. And then also it gives you a body of text. So all you got to do is copy and paste the body of text over. You create you a hyperlink, which is right here. And this turns this into a clickable link, which is I show you guys that in my previous videos on how to create a clickable link. Okay, it's very easy to do. All right, but once you do that, you're going to be higher. Your prospect is going to be able to click this link and it's going to take them to your affiliate page. Your affiliate page is going to do all this selling and telling for you guys. It's super easy to do. Okay. So that's what one of those emails would look like. Now you can send out one email every 24 hours. Me, I like sending out my emails at night, anytime before midnight, anytime between the hours of 9 to midnight is when I like sending out my emails. Okay, so you don't have to, wait till nighttime to do it. You can do it early in the morning, afternoon, whatever time works best for you. Okay, me, I just like doing it at night because I got other money making opportunities that I do throughout the day. Okay, so. We did send out some emails last night. As you guys know, I do like to talk about my results and how I did for today, and how I'm doing for the last 30 days. Okay. So that way you can see the algorithm and what to expect if you were to get started and you were to send out emails every day and you get up to 6 months and see where you're at 6 months. Okay. That's why I'm creating this challenge just to show you guys step by step every single day what to expect if you were to start from day number one. Okay. So today is October 30th. As you can see, is right here. And down at the bottom on my computer, it's 11:30 as well. I mean, it's October 30th as well. Okay. So as you can see, this is not no fake screenshot or anything like that. These are real results. And this right here, guys, is the last 30 days of our results. Okay. So as you can see, this is the algorithm on what it's been looking like. Okay. So as you can see, the algorithm has been pretty good, pretty steady. Okay, for month number 6, anywhere from 3 to 6 months. This is kind of what it's going to be looking like if you guys were to get started. Okay, now I'm not saying that you're going to be making sales every single day or anything. What I'm telling you is like a realistic picture on what it would look like if you guys were to get started, that you would, you could possibly start seeing sales like this. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank, you guys can go over to ClickBank. It's a free service. There's not any link or anything. I'm not trying to sell you on ClickBank. You don't have to use ClickBank. You can use Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, Blue Meat Adventures. There's tons of other networks that I've already used to test this traffic. That's why I could tell you that it does work. But ClickBank is very easy to get started. It's free and it takes you about less than 5 minutes to get started. Okay. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank and why I love them so much is that they pay every Friday. Okay. So every single week, you will be seeing money come in through ClickBank. Okay. I've been with ClickBank over a century now, so I can tell you that ClickBank is legit, and I've been making paychecks with them for a long time consistently. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Particularly this account. I got multiple accounts, but this specific account, I'm only using mileage and secret traffic. That way, I don't mix in any other traffic that I use. I'm only using the mileage and secret traffic, and these are the results that I'm getting. Okay, which are pretty good. Okay, so as you can see right here, this last 30 days, we're getting sales like 4 days in a row. Okay. You may miss a couple days, but then I came back and got sales back to back. We missed a day, got back to back, missed a day, back to back. We missed 2 days right here without a sale. But then we came back to back and got a sale, missed a day, back to back right here. We missed 2 days, but then we came back, got a sale. We missed a day, okay, but then we got 4 sales in a row, back to back again. Okay. So what that tells me is that the algorithm is changing. Okay. We're going from one sale, every few days, up to, 4 sales in a row. Okay. And only getting 2 days where we're not getting the sale. I haven't seen 3 days without a sale in maybe a couple weeks. Okay. So this tells me that our sales are getting closer and closer and closer together, and all we're doing is using the same emails over and over and over again. Okay. Now that's what we've been doing for this challenge. I've just been using the same emails over and over. Okay. And what's been happening is that people are getting used to seeing these emails, and they're starting to convert more and they're starting to purchase the program. Okay. Now, realistically, with this traffic, what I've noticed, it takes anywhere from 7 to 30 days for someone to actually sign up with this program. Okay. So now I've seen people, get sales within the first couple of days, first few days or anything, stuff like that, which is possible. or I seen, things not take off for a whole month or maybe a couple months. I know with me, when I first started, things didn't take off for me till month three, between month 3 and 5 or 3 and 6 is when it started to actually take off to where I was getting consistent sales. Okay. And then for this challenge, I'm starting over from a brand new offer to show you guys from scratch. And I'm going to stick with you till you see sales every single day. Okay. And that's what's going to eventually end up happening as you submit, as you send out emails every single day. Eventually, over months and months of time, you will get this thing to where you're making sales every single day. Okay. But it does take time. Like I said, this is not a get rich quick scheme. You're not going to come in here. You're not going to just, send out one email, get hundreds and thousands of dollars every week, every week. It just doesn't work that way. Okay. This is a real business. Okay. And these are real results. Okay. So, and like I said, I like ClickBank because they pay every week. Okay, so matter of fact, tomorrow is Friday, and I will be getting a paycheck for tomorrow. So which is Halloween. So I will be getting a paycheck, and that'll be hitting my account tomorrow, which is pretty awesome. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys these results. These are real results, so guys. I mean, it's not a bunch of money, but could you use the extra income? Could you use an extra, $300 to $500 a month starting out between months 3 and months number 5 with this program? Okay. And then eventually you could get this thing up to 1,000, 1,500, $2,000 a month, all the way up to $5,000 a month. How could that change your life? Right. With the way the world is going right now, could be the extra income that you guys can use to start, paying for certain things, groceries, right? I know they're getting rid of, EBT and things like that. This could be the extra income that you can use to start help paying for those groceries, right? Help paying for, maybe an electric bill or helping with the car payment or gas bill. Okay. This is the extra money that you can earn to do that. And all you have to do is copy and paste, right? That's it. So, I'm gonna get off my soapbox, guys. I just just wanted to tell you how important this is and how you can start making money with this program. Okay. So I'm gonna take you over here, guys. If you guys go below this video, if you want to get started and get on my team today, I'm gonna take you down here. Click on the More tab, guys. It's going to take you, and you want to click on this MLGS True Freedom link right here, this tiny URL. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the landing page. It's going to show you how to get started. It's going to show you also testimonials from other people making money with this program. I'm not the only one. Okay. Some of these people are just promoting mileage and secret and making money, right? Some of these people are promoting other affiliate networks, such as Warrior Plus, as you can see right here, right? So there's tons of people making money with this program, guys. So I'd recommend you guys getting started today, right? Let's talk money, right? That's what it says right here. So go ahead and get started. Click on Join MLGS now. Pay your $60 to get started, just a one-time charge of $60 to get your account set up, your back office and everything. And then after that, there's $30 a month just to keep the service. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few years, guys. It's a no-brainer, right? So invest in yourself, guys. I mean, if you're not going to invest in yourself, if you're not willing to invest in traffic, and that way you can make money based on this traffic, then this may not be for you. But if you're someone who's looking to make money that's realistic and something that's going to be around for a while, this is going to be the easiest way, one of the easiest ways to make money online. Okay. So go ahead and get started today. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to send out an email. I also wanted to show you the results from the last 30 days. It's looking pretty good here, guys. I've already sent out my emails tonight. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time and we'll go over the results. So I'll see you guys back here tomorrow, same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.